Okay, everybody, it's almost midnight. We only have a few more minutes to go, and we're going to see in 1983. Is everybody having a good time? Okay. Hey, shut up. Okay, we're going to go on now. Okay, now, the best thing that we ought to do now to really work up a lot of spirit is for everybody to sing a song together. So we got to choose one that everybody knows all the words to. Does anybody have a song that everybody knows all the words to, huh? Yeah, Billy Bob, I got one. I got a song. Okay, Looney Bird, okay, what do you got for us?
Okay. My key, please. My key. Okay. No, Mikey, my friend Mikey. Okay. I'm in the mood for love simply because you're near me. Funny but.
Looney Bird, I thought you said you knew the lyrics to that song.
Well, I know the lyrics. I just have a little trouble with the words.
Oh, Looney Bird, you so crazy. How about this, folks? I got a song everybody knows the words to. Let me see here. Come on, help me sing it loud. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Come on. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Well, when Billy Bob goes marching in. Oh, when Billy Bob goes marching in. I want to be in that number. When Billy Bob goes marching in. Oh, when Looney Bird goes marching in. Oh, yeah, when Looney Bird goes marching in. I want to be in that number. When Looney Bird goes marching in. Oh, when Mitzi goes marching in. Oh, when Mitzi goes marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when Mitzi goes marching in. Well, when Beach Bear goes marching in. Oh, when Beach Bear goes marching in. Well, yeah. I want to be in that number. Oh, when Beach Bear goes marching in. When Duke LaRue goes marching in. Oh, when Duke goes marching in. I want to be in that number. When Duke LaRue goes marching in. When Rolf and Earl go marching in. Oh, when Rolf and Earl go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when Earl go marching in.
When Fats
Oh, when Fats
goes marching in. When Fats goes marching in. He goes marching in style. He's a big fat gorilla.
in that number.
When Fats
Goes marching in. When everybody goes marching in. When everybody goes marching in. I want to be in that number. Everybody goes marching in. Hey,
Oh, wait.
yeah, bring the music down there, y'all.
Oh, man.
What's wrong there?
I'm sorry.
Somebody's out of tune here. What's wrong? Hold up here.
Oh, man, we got it going and everything.
Come on, it's almost midnight.
Man, I'm sorry, man. I'm just a little out. Can I have an A?
What?
An A.
You want to tune up, man? It's almost midnight. What do you want to tune up for?
Wait. I just, just this one story. Listen,
Okay, here.
Could we play? I can't play at midnight like that. Come on. Wait.
Well, hurry up. Come on.
Okay.
You're going to have to excuse us, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have to pause here and do a quick little song, old Chinese song called Tuning.
Beach Bear's good at that one.
I think I'm in there now.
You got it tuned up?
Yes, sir.
About time.
All right.
Okay. Well, look, we only got a minute to go, or a couple minutes to go, so before we get down to the last few minutes of 1982, let's do the number 2 song, okay?
Let's do the number 8
Let's
song.
do number 8.
Okay, so I can't talk too good, okay? But, Fats, how about starting it up for us, and let's surprise the people with the number 2 song?
Okay, here we go. I found my thrill on Banana Hill, and oh, what a thrill when I found you. She had that look straight from Jungle Book, and that's all it took. Of you, I found my thrill on Banana Hill, and now I swing from tree to tree. I hope that you'll see me. I give you everything, 'cause you're my orangutan. Say that you'll be mine, and we'll share a swinging vine, baby. Love you, baby.
Okay, everybody.
Okay.
That was great. Okay, but you know what? We're gonna have to just sort of settle down for a minute and not get too excited about anything because
What we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna have to wait because I don't think we have time for another song or anything before midnight. Yeah. So does anybody have any suggestions what we can do?
We could fly.
Okay, look, it's 1.5 minutes exactly, 90 seconds to midnight. So synchronize your watches and look at that. Okay, so
Heck, it's almost 1983.
you darn right it's almost 1983. Does anybody have a real quick joke they can tell or something while we're waiting for the countdown?
Well, I've got one. Since Beach Bear was tuning his guitar a while ago, it kind of reminded me of one.
Yeah?
Well, you notice we don't have any fish in this group. We've got bears and we have dogs. And we have even mice like me.
Gorillas.
Gorillas too.
Better hurry.
But we don't have any fish. Does anybody know why?
How come?
Well, fish can't sing good.
Mitzi, that's not the way that joke goes. And you've got 45 seconds
I know why fish can't sing. You know why?
Why?
They bad to have in a group. I wouldn't have no singing fish.
No, you can't tune a fish.
Look, you guys.
Oh, it's stupid.
Wait. Shut up.
Check
29,
Way to joke.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Nothing to say, no more. gonna sing?
It's time to sing All Lang Syne.
Oh, Lang Syne.
All Lang Syne, here we go.
Okay, wait. Does everybody know the words?
Oh no, not that
Okay.
again.
Hey, I told everybody the words earlier, okay? So I'm gonna lead it off again. Okay, here we go. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot? Should old acquaintance be? Yeah, should old acquaintance be forgot? Should old acquaintance be forgot? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody! From Showbiz Pizza Place. All right. Guy Lombardo, eat your heart out.
Okay, everybody, let's have a great big celebration by playing our #1 song of all time. The music goes round and round, featuring Fats.
Oh, look at here. Well, press this here note down, and the music goes down and round, yeah. And it comes out here. Oh, when you push this little note down, and the music goes down and round, yeah. And it comes out here. When you push this blue note down, and the music goes down and round, you know, yeah. Let's let the music come out. Oh, push this little note down, and the music goes down and round, yeah. And it comes out here. Oh, let me hear it. To the jazz come out. Oh, push this little note down, and the music goes down and round, yeah. And it comes out here. Oh, let's hit hallelujah. Oh, that's red beans and rice. I want to hear some gumbo. Hallelujah. Well, when you push this little note down, and the music goes down and round, you know, yeah. Listen to the jazz come out. Well, push this little note down, and the music goes down and round, yeah. And it comes out here. Oh Lord, and it comes out here. Talk about, and it comes out here. And it comes out here. Oh yeah.